Oh. And here's a tape box site, crew it, and was printed on April 21st, 2003.
Coming soon to theaters.
Following previous sounds are volunteers for the Motion Picture Association of America.
You don't know what this is, do you? Aztec gold. The heathen gods placed upon the gold a terrible curse. 10 years we searched. Every last piece we have found, save for this. Hello, Bobby. They've taken Elizabeth. Welcome aboard the Black Pearl. And we must save her. Where do we start? Jack Sparrow. He talked about the Black Pearl. Make a deal with him. He can lead us to it. You forget your place. You are a blacksmith. If you spring me from this cell, I shall take you to the Black Pearl and your bonny lass. You're a pirate. Forgot one very important thing, mate. I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Not sure I deserve that. You're not facing.
Yes, I'm watching the crew it starting watching the crew it, so.
Goodbye. Fast, cruel, demented, vicious pirates who cannot be killed. The moonlight shows us what we really are. That's interesting. We are cursed men.
I hardly believe in ghost stories anymore.
You best start believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner. You're in one. Gents, you all remember Captain Jack Sparrow. Kill him.
You like pain? Try wearing a corset.
Here they come. Pirates of the Caribbean. The curse of the Black Pearl. I may have deserved that.
Theaters, July 9th.
Coming soon to own on video and DVD.
Following previous sounds are volunteers for the Motion Picture Association of America.
An assassination has brought the Earth's greatest nations to the brink of war.
And guys, tonight I'm gonna watch Wild Fools Fall in Love.
Courageous men of uncommon wisdom.
I read about these guys. Folks will yell at them, try to make faces at them, but they'll never move a muscle. Here, watch this. What's with the goofy hat? Roy, stop it. That is the biggest damn beaver I have ever seen. No hard feelings.
You do that again, and you're a dead man. The Old West meets the old world. Look like a fool. You have to open your mind to other cultures.
This country blows.
Jackie Chan. Owen Wilson.
I tried one of these sausages. This is good. I thought the food here was supposed to
to suck.
It's made from the finest sheep splatters.
Ah.
Shanghai Knights.
Coming soon to video. Following previous sales revisions from the Motion Picture Association America.
Winner, 6 2002 Academy Awards, including Best Picture. A flash of leg. The taste of temptation. The smell of corruption. And things that go bump in the night.
Slick your hair and wear your buckle shoes. And all that jazz I hear.
Velma has it.
I want a brand new start to do that.
Roxy wants it.
You got connection?
I would have said anything to get a piece of that. Get off!
Billy can fix it.
My client feels that it was the combination of liquor and jazz which led to her downfall.
But in a city where everyone loves a legend, there's only room for one.
That's Chicago.
Academy Award winner Catherine Zeta-Jones, Academy Award nominee and Golden Globe winner Renee Zellweger, and Golden Globe winner Richard Gere
Are you guilty or not guilty?
Don't you want to take my picture?
in the Best Picture of the Year. Good night, folks.
That jazz.
Chicago.
Now available on video and DVD.
Following previous sales revisions from the Motion Picture Association America.
Hey, check this out.
Jessica Spencer. She had it all until a curse Nostradamus put her into his body. You'll be a woman soon. April.
I'm in here. You stay away from me. I've got pepper spray. It's me, Jessica.
Now she's got to reverse the spell for the full moon or live like this forever. You have no idea what it's like to shave your cheeks.
Yes, I do.
When she's... Hey, Millie!
Rob Schneider is the hot chick. That's a man.
Well, I don't think so.
Now available on DVD and video. Now on ABC.
And now, our feature presentation.
This film is a modified Churchill version. It's from format for Gear TV.